This is a good tripod. This even used in food photography, and it is steel mat tripod. You can use any camera or phone on its mount. This tripod is hard and reliable, although you can't feel any vibrations at any windy area. You can adjust it at any angle. This is best for YouTube video creator. If you want it, purchase from market or online. You can move up a rod 180 degrees. And this knob for height control. And this knob for stand settings. If you like my review, then like my video and subscribe my channel.